Hello everyone, welcome to another digital lecture, class 12 Business Economics. In our last video, we have studied about limitations of microeconomics and macroeconomics. Today we will learn about meaning and difference between positive economics and normative economics. So first of all, we will discuss about meaning of positive economics. Positive economics. So first of all, we will discuss about meaning of positive economics. Positive economics is that branch of economics which deals with such issues which are verifiable. Here, verifiable means investigation can be done. Positive economics deals with economic issues related to past, present or future. It deals with such economic situations which can be studied by using facts and figures. Here, facts it means reality or truth, and figures it means numbers. Here, the process of observation. Poverty before 1947 had a very bad effect on India. It is an observation related to the past. 25% of population in India is below poverty line. It is an observation related to the present. The percentage of population of below poverty line will be increased 25% in the year 2025. It is an observation related to the future. All these observations are elements of positive economics. These observations mainly show the situation of poverty in the past, present and future. Thus, positive economics is the economics of what was, what is and what would be. Positive statements describe what was, what is or what will be under the given state of circumstances. Positive statement can be verified as true or false by comparing with actual data. Positive economics deals with what are the economic problem and how are they actually solved. These are based upon facts. These are not suggestive in nature. These deal with realistic situation. Some examples of positive economics are there. India is an overpopulated country. 21% of population in India is below poverty line. Prices in Indian economy are constantly rising. There are inequalities of income in our economy. India is an overpopulated country. There is poverty in India. Economics is study of alternatives. Now we will discuss about normative economics. Meaning of normative economics. This statement tells us what ought to be. This tells how economic problems should be solved. Normative economics is related to the future. This deals with ideal situation. These are suggestive in nature. Debate is possible in normative economics because if any suggestions is made in this, some are in his favors and some are also in his opposition. Some examples of normative economics are there. India should be underpopulated country. India should take steps to control rising prices. Income inequalities should be reduced. Government should be concerned with how to reduce unemployment. Free education should be given to the poor till class 12th. Indian government should design new policies to control inflation. Now we will discuss about difference between positive economics and normative economics. Here first point is meaning. So first we look at the meaning. What is positive economics? Positive economics deals with economic issues related to past, present and future. Here, if we talk about the past, how much was India's population in 1947? If we talk about the present, what is the population in the present and what will be the population in the future? All these issues related to positive economics. In normative economics, here we look at normative economics. Some suggestions related to the economic problems are given by economists. Here, in second point is statement. Positive economics contains detailed descriptions related to what is, what was and what would be. In normative economics, it relates to the future. Suggestions are given here. Third point is value judgment. There is no value judgment in positive economics because there is no opinion or suggestions, but normative economics has a value judgment because different economists give their opinion in it. Fourth point is verification. Here, with the help of actual data, we can check whether these facts is true or false. In normative economics, we cannot verify because it contains only suggestions. Fifth point is aim. In positive economics, exactly what is happening in positive economics is described like inflation, unemployment, corruption, etc. In normative economics, in it, ideals are created by giving good suggestions. Sixth point is suggestive. Positive economics are always based on facts and reality. So these are not suggestive. Normative economics. In normative economics, opinions are given by different individuals. Opinions and suggestions are given by different economists. So it is suggestive in nature. So today we understood meaning and difference between positive economics and normative economics. If you have any doubt related to these topics, write below in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you very much.